We're gonna make a Southside cocktail. It's classic. We're gonna make just one simple variation. The drink calls for some simple syrup and a mint garnish. Sometimes people throw mint in the drink, shake it and strain the mint out. We're just gonna use our mint simple because I think it's delicious in this context. So we're gonna use 3/4 of an ounce of our mint simple. You're like, oh, that's a lot of sugar. I don't know if I want that. Wait, I say wait. We have a full ounce of lime juice. Okay, you can use a number of different gins at this point. The Navy strength, this drink generally calls for a couple of ounces of gin if you use the Navy strength. Do so knowing full well what you're getting into, or cut it back down to 1.5 ounces. It's a delicious gin in that context. You could use the Beefeater for that classic London Dry or Tanqueray to really pop up the pininess, or a more modern gin, this American Dry from the fine folks at Durham Distillery. It's a modern style, softer, lighter, a little more cucumber in there. And I think this would work really well in a drink that calls for a couple of full ounces of gin. Maybe you don't need quite the proof of a London Dry or a Navy strength. Grab the garnish there. And you want to give this a nice good shake because we're going to serve this drink up, so it won't have ice in the drink to kind of lean on for more chill. I like to double strain any drink I'm putting up like that. And we want to garnish this with mint. I like, if you can, get a little bouquet. Just give it a little clap to wake it up. There's one way to make the Southside. Another way, and I prefer this way, is to sneak a little bitters on top. That way they get a little hint of spice on the nose, and as they're drinking, the drink kind of evolves a little bit and gives them just a little more backbone. So, Southside, enjoy.